this is Fiona, the Young Adult Librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy seed bomb with just some clay, seeds, and dirt. And it's something that you can just put in your backyard, and it should help you grow some wildflowers to increase the bee population. And if you wanted to gift it to someone else, I will also show you how to put it in nice decorative packaging to give it to someone. So let's get started. So for today's craft, we're going to need our seeds, our fabric, our label, our string, our soil, and our clay. You're also going to want to use a scissors and a spoon, as well as a dish or a tray, something, because we're going to need to roll the clay as well as roll the clay in dirt. So you're going to have a good covered area because it's going to get messy. Okay, so we have our clay. You should have enough clay here to make a couple of the seed bombs. So what you want to do is take a small piece off. And then what we're going to do is use our thumbs to shape it into a bowl. So. And if your clay dries out while you're working or at any point while you're using it, just add a little water. And then the clay will get wet again. So now that we have our little bowl, you want to take your seeds. And if you're making more than one, you don't want to put too many in, just a nice amount. So you can definitely make more than one with that. And also, you don't want to overwhelm it with the seeds. So now we want to take our soil and our spoon, and you just want to put a small spoonful of soil on top of the seeds. And then what we're going to do is pinch this closed. Like so. You want to make sure you're getting the seeds and the clay, dirt mixed together. So now we want to take our soil again, and we're just going to spread a little out. You can also do this directly in the cup if you want to. I just find this a little less messy. And we're going to roll our clay on the soil to get it covered in dirt. Like so. So you can see I made 2 seed bombs. And if you want to use this in your own yard, you're completely done. All you want to do, find a patch of dirt and put one of these seed bombs in there. As long as there's no drought, with rain, it should plant the seeds, and within 2 weeks you'll have flowers. And if you wanted to give it to someone as encouragement to help out the bees, what you want to do is take your fabric. You're simply going to place your seed bomb inside. Take your string, and you're just going to bundle it up like so. A little twist. And then you're going to tie the string around your seed bomb. And then what you can do is take your label, which has all the instructions for whoever you're going to give it to. Take your string, put that on there. So, and then we can just trim the string off, and there you have a pretty gift that also helps out nature. So here you can see my completed seed bomb. And the good thing about the fabric is it's breathable, so it keeps the dirt from drying out. These should stay viable for about 2 weeks if you don't have a chance to give it to someone right away. And again, this is a great Earth Day gift. It's a great way to reinvigorate our bee population, and just have some pretty flowers around. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more crafts.